Please like, share and subscribe. The iris flower refers to a genus of flowering plants that includes hundreds of species, many of which are commonly cultivated as ornamental plants. The most well-known iris species in gardening are the bearded iris, Iris germanica, and the Siberian iris, Iris sibirica. Irises are known for their distinctive, showy flowers and come in a variety of colors, including shades of blue, purple, white, and yellow. Here are some key characteristics of iris flowers. 1. Petals and sepals. Iris flowers typically have 6 petal-like structures known as tepals. 3 of these tepals are upright and called standards, while the other 3 are drooping and referred to as falls. 2. Rhizomes. Many iris species grow from thick, underground stems called rhizomes. These rhizomes store energy and nutrients for the plant. 3. Leaves. Iris plants usually have long, narrow, sword-shaped leaves that arise from the base of the plant. 4. Habitat. Irises are found in a variety of habitats, including meadows, woodlands, and marshes. They are native to a wide range of regions, from Europe and Asia to North America. 5. Symbolism. The iris flower has been associated with various meanings and symbolism. In Greek mythology, Iris was the messenger of the gods and linked heaven and earth. In the language of flowers, different colors of irises can convey different sentiments, with purple irises often symbolizing wisdom and compliments. It's worth noting that the term iris is also commonly used to refer to the colored, muscular part of the eye that surrounds the pupil and regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The name iris for both the flower and the eye structure comes from the Greek word for rainbow, reflecting the wide range of colors found in both.